Hello everyone, I'm here with an unboxing. So there's a YouTuber, her name is Diary of Fonze, and she makes all kinds of products. She makes body butters, um, lip gloss, I believe, um, all kinds of nice products. And I looked at her website and she has some really nice things over there. I ordered some body butter and I was so anxious waiting to see what it looked like and everything. So I had opened the box and it's so pretty till I didn't open the product, and I said I'm gonna do an unboxing. So I'm gonna show you what the box looked like. Let me cover up. Isn't that unique, y'all? She has her face up there. And her company is Fonze Butterfly Effect. And she says up here, welcome to Fonze Butterfly Effect. I make body butters for men and women, lip oils, body and lip scrubs, face, eyelash and brow serum, candles, and lotion bars. And then she has for special orders for you to contact her. So again, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Isn't that a nice box, y'all? She put a lot of thought into it. It's unique. I don't see anybody making them like this. This is her brand here. So opening the box, I'm going to show you what I was talking about, how pretty it is. Isn't that pretty? I mean, when I got this box and I opened it, like I said, I didn't take the product out. It made me feel like it was my birthday or Christmas or something like that. I was so excited. I started to open it and I said, no, this is too pretty. This needs to be on camera. Unboxing. So all this nice confetti and stuff. So let me get down to business and get into this. Okay, she put some business cards in here. Thank you. Your support is such a blessing. And it has Psalm 27. And here's another one that I can put on my refrigerator because it has the magnetic backing. So Fonze, Diary of Fonze is a very nice lady. And when she was showing her products on her channel, I said, I got to get something from her. So this Vanilla Rose body butter. So y'all, this is what it looks like. She securely wrapped this. See? Let me get into this. I may have to get something to open this up, but this shows just how secure she. Oh, okay, it's coming out. Shows just how securely she wrapped this. Oh wow! Wow, this is interesting here. She put an instant cold pack in there, I guess to keep the product, cool. That's nice. That's a nice touch there. Okay. So that's what it looks like. She take She took a lot of effort with this to make sure that things weren't coming out. I don't see no messes in the box or anything. You can see it. And it's homemade by Fonze. Blissful body butter. She has the ingredients and everything. And so now I gotta open this part here. And it's in a pretty blue jar. Let me open it up. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm gonna show you how pretty it is. Well, y'all look at that. It's so pretty. It looks like cake frosting. It's really beautiful. Look at that. So let me try it. I'm trying it for the first time. Take a little bit out and put it on my hands. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this smells so pretty. Oh, that smells so pretty. You can smell the rose. Oh, it's not an overbearing rose smell. It's a vanilla rose. So y'all know I have eczema. I always say it. I know y'all probably tired of me saying it. But my hands and stuff, my arms be so dry. And I needed something to moisturize the skin. Especially being that we're now in the fall. We got winter that's going to be coming up. And I like this, y'all. I like it a lot. The presentation of the product is excellent. Please smooth all that ash out that I got going on. Look at that. And it's not, the smell is not too much. I like strong products, but then at times I like just a pretty nice smell, you know. Fonz, I am impressed with your product here. This is really, really nice here. And I just use a tiny bit. See, I get some more of that. This came at the right time. So I want to tell y'all to go over there, check out her products. I'm going to put the link to her website down in the description. I'm going to put a link to her channel down. And you know what? I like to see, I am very happy about women on YouTube. They are doing their thing, you know. Starting a business for yourself is one of the best things you can do right now, you know, since there's a lot of people home anyway. So I hope y'all like this video. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Go over and check out Diary of Fonze and subscribe to her channel too. And get you some of this. Get some of this, y'all. Again, it is the Vanilla Rose body butter. Okay. And her shipping was fast. She shipped it pretty fast. I looked at the bottom of the box and she had 2 samples in there that I'm going to tell you about. So the blue one here that I'm going to show you. Yeah. It's blue. It's the Sweet Paradise, which is a foaming bath butter. Wow, foaming bath butter. That smells so good. Wow, that smells good. I know it's foaming, but I'm gonna put a little bit up there. So rich smelling. So rich smelling there. And then she has another one here. And it's the pink one. And that's Berry Milkshakes Bliss Body Butter. Oh Lord, it smells so good. It smells so good. Put that on my arm too. So nice. This stuff will be good for me for my legs too. I know fall is here, but the warmer days when you still might have your dress on without like holes, pantyhose and stuff like that, you can put this kind of stuff on your legs, and you know, it won't be overly greasy. It will be just right. Thank you so much for sending me these extra little gifts in here, and that's really a nice touch. And I love we'll be getting some more things. So thank you everybody for watching.